Yeah, just hoping that everything will be like all dreams will come true at this time. Yes.
Hopefully my wishes will be able to come true here.
Before that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified for our latest videos. Also, follow us on Instagram at RealJoeyYap for some behind the scenes.
Is one of the techniques. It's used by the Master Two. You know who is Master Two? Zhuge Liang. So for 7 star, basically for you to make a wish, you need to lighten up the lamp as well. The lamp for the fire. Okay. So they will get ready for all the lamp over there. You need to walk for 7 star. Okay, follow the way to walk. Okay, so once you walk, you can make a wish immediately. They are preparing all your wish together with the lamp, whatever you have. So usually they will make sure the lamp or fire will be stay over there for a certain time. Okay, then only your wish will come true.
So if you look at the orange circle, that is the temple. Okay. This temple is although it's built to face north direction, but the dragon veins actually come down and turn from the west facing to the east because the water is on this side. Okay. The formation here, there's a special function formation called Wangit, means horizontal formation. So when it comes down the vein and it turns to the side to face the embrace. You notice that there's a hill on the side here, you see here? Yeah, this is the white tiger embrace. The green dragon embrace, multiple layers on my left. Yeah, on the left can you see this green dragon? 2 layers and the outer layer, external. The formation of 3 layers. 3 layers makes it some fun somehow.
Hello, my name is Kelvin. I'm from Brunei. This is my second excursion. The first one being last year in China, and this year I've came to Taipei. It's my first time going through ceremonies like this, and it's actually something that I find to be very hopeful for my career. So hopefully my wishes will be able to come true here.
I'm Kylie from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. My feeling is like excited, nervous, and yeah, just hoping that everything will be like all dreams will come true at this time. Yes.
Yes. Excited. It's like going on a school tour.